Welcome back to Ctube's channel. Today, we're going to make a comparison of PVC DB series conduit and EB series conduit. DB series conduit, also known as direct burial conduit. This conduit is designed for direct installation in the ground, but concrete encase is also possible. EB series conduit or encased burial conduit. This conduit is designed to be encased in concrete or masonry. Under the same size conditions, DB series conduit has a thicker wall. On the other hand, EB series conduit has a thinner wall and requires encasement in concrete. Despite their differences, PVC DB series and EB series conduit share several similarities. Both are made from high-quality PVC, are lightweight and easy to install, and are cost-effective compared to metal conduits. Typical series of DB conduit include DB60, DB100, and DB120. Typical series of EB conduits include EB20 and EB35. Both Ctube's DB series and EB series meet ASTM standards. DB series will provide DB120, comply with ULST, DB2, comply with CSA certified. They offer excellent resistance to moisture, chemicals, fire resistance, and physical impacts, ensuring reliable protection for electrical wiring. DB120 conduit offers sizes 1 inch to 6 inches. DB2 and EB series provide sizes 2 inches to 6 inches. Standard lengths are 10 feet or 20 feet with a belt end or not. Also accept customization. When choosing between DB series and EB series conduit, consider the specific requirements of your purchase. That's all we share today. Thank you for watching. For more information, follow our channel.